I'll share with you. So what then you know what you are doing right or wrong. Okay? So now you put that apple.
Central Africa.
Correct. So we have some salt cookies, jam tarts and apple tarts, cashew cookies, and we have some custard apple pie. And here these things is made by Shakti. My young student came from Bangalore. So Shakti, what are the products you made today?
Cupcakes with blueberry filling and traveling dates and walnut cake and banana pound cakes with which are chocolate dipped with garnishes. Then other cupcakes with which are designed like butterflies and other smiley ones. Another banana pound cake with a bar of chocolate.
So what is the price you are going to, what is the price of your cupcake?
40.
40 rupees. And how about your, this banana walnut cake? The big
60.
60. Very good. What is the price of this bar cake?
200.
200 rupees. Very good. Okay, so you made all these things today. Where are you coming from?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. So you are going to set up a bakery in Bangalore?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now Shakti is prepared homemade chocolates, and this chocolate is with the marzipan filling. She has she made marzipan paste and covered it with dark chocolate, and she has garnished it white chocolate, and after garnishing she is putting it on the paper cups.
Hi, my name is Shakti. I'm from Bangalore. I'm 11 years old, and I came to JM Bakery because I love to learn, and I have learned how to bake in 2 weeks, and we did different types of bread like wheat bread, milk bread, donuts, and other stuff. Then we learned different types of cakes like plum cakes, roll cakes, and wedding cakes and stuff. It's and marzipan fruits.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Shakti's mother, Narmada. Going forward, I think that's going to be my identity. She's 11 years old and she developed a passion for baking. So we started looking out for classes and we found out about JM Bakers Academy, and we've been here for 2 weeks course. They've taught her how to bake varieties of bread, which include sweet bread, wheat bread, bread rolls. They all taught to make puff pastries. Then we had this cake baking classes where they started from the basic sponge, cupcakes, how to make pastries out of them, plum cake, Christmas cake, Swiss roll. They also taught how to make homemade chocolates and marzipan fruits. So basically this 2 weeks have been like very fruitful. She's been learning it with great fun. Teachers here are teaching with great passion. They cover even minor techniques which while we have a lot of recipes available in YouTube, the minor techniques are not taught there. Here they teach it with great passion, and I am really satisfied with the way the 2 weeks course has gone. Hoping to return back to learn more specialized items like mousse and healthy breads, cheesecakes. So when those classes come, we hope to come back, and Shakti wants to learn more into, because she wants to get into professional baking thing, and I am happy about the entire experience.
Thank you. This is a 2 weeks craft bakers program. So today they produced the homemade chocolates, and this is again chocolates, and we have marsipans, and they made Swiss rolls, blueberry Swiss rolls, and Christmas is coming, Diwali is coming. They made some nice fruit cakes, and here is a doll cake made by our chef Priya, and these are all fondant flour cakes made by